This program shows you on how to compare means. It performs a one sample t-test, an f-test, two sample t-test, and a paired t-test. So let's first read the data. Let's look at the data by typing fix and the object name. You can see we have 10 samples, weight of wild type and weight of knockout. Now we can perform a one sample t-test where we want to compare the mean of the wild type to a reference value or the mean of the knockout mice to a reference value. It's called a t.test, and we simply can select the weights of the wild type mice by adding $sign here and the name of the column. If you do not know the column names, you can type col names and the object name, and you see the column names. So let's do the one sample t-test for wild type weights. Let's do the one sample test for knockout weights. You can see here the p-values for each analysis. Next, we can do a two sample t-test. If you want to do that, if you might remember, you have to know whether you can assume equal variances or not. In order to do that, you have to do an f-test, which is var.test, and you type again the two groups you want to test, which is the weight of wild type and weight of knockout mice. You can say whether you want to have two-sided or you can type less or greater. Let's do that. You can see here you have a p-value of 0.94. Independent now of this result, I'm going to show you t-test assuming equal variances, where you have to write for this option here true, or if you do not want to do that, you don't want to assume equal variances, you type false. So let's do the two. First, equal variances, two sample t-test, two-sided, and you can see very similar results. If you need help for your t-test, you can type help t.test, and you can see what you really have to put after your command. Now let's perform a paired t-test. What you have to write is in the option paired, it's true. Default would be false. So let's do that. And again, you can see you get the p-value, degrees of freedom, and which of course changed now for paired t-test and the confidence result. Okay.